Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your headset type and powering on the Xbox 360. This saves time and avoids guesswork. Once done, sign into your profile so voice settings apply to the right account. Now, plug the wired headset into the controller's 2.5mm chat port or attach the wireless transmitter per its guide. Make sure connectors seat fully. If using a wired headset, slightly twist to ensure a snug fit because poor contact causes static and dropouts. Next, navigate to the console audio settings to tailor how you hear and how others hear you. This is where functionality meets comfort. Once in audio, set headset volume and mic monitoring so you hear your voice without blasting game audio, and set chat/game balance if available. Make sure the console recognizes the device by testing in a party or starting a local mic test. If levels are low, increase gain slowly to avoid clipping or feedback that distorts speech. Finish by verifying the mute button isn't engaged and checking controller batteries. Low power mimics headset failure. Once done, reseat all connections and restart the controller or console to clear transient issues. If audio is still missing, swap the headset to a different controller or test another headset on the original controller to isolate whether the headset, controller, or console is at fault. If one side is quiet, gently flex the cable near the jack to detect a wiring fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.